हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल. इट्स बिन टू लॉन्ग. मैं बहुत दिनों से नहीं आई, लेकिन आई वाज ट्राइंग एंड टेस्टिंग सम ऑफ द टेक्निक्स दैट आई वांट टू शेयर राइट now. So today I'm going to talk about 555 techniques. Have you ever heard about this technique? LOA people would definitely know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about 555 techniques. Here what you have to do is you have to frame a sentence which says the manifestation of your desire in a way that you have already manifested it in present, such as manifesting anything, small little things. I have tried it with a very small thing that I thought that it is very easy for me to manifest that thing, and so I tried it. And what I tried is manifesting 10,000 rupees from universe. I just tried this technique because I wanted to share it with you all guys, and I wanted that there must be result. Without result I can't share this techniques. Okay, so I tried with a very small amount that I felt that yes, this is very easily I can manifest through universe. And so I tried it with 10,000 rupees. I said I am so happy and grateful to receive 10,000 rupees from universe as a gift. I wrote it for 55 times for 5 regular days. This is what you have to do is, for anything that you feel that you can manifest from universe and you think that you don't have greater resistance against that dream, it's very easily accessible. जैसे कि छोटा छोटा पिज़्ज़ा, जैसे कि anything, a treat that you want to get from anyone, or small gifts that you want to attract it, small gifts from people around you. If you want to manifest those things, or a phone call from a friend, you can attract all of this. And so I am sharing this technique and it manifested. I will tell you how it manifested, and I got the double result. How I get the double result, so stay tuned. What happened is I wrote, see, this is the diary, and I wrote it that I'm happy and grateful to manifest 10,000 rupees. I wrote it for straight 5 days, and guess what happened? Just after 5 days I got a phone call and I received 20,000 rupees in my account. And I'm not see, I received that those money from the source who owed me money, who owed me 20,000 rupees. But not in my wildest dream he was going to pay me this time, this within 5 days. But what happened, I don't know how universe created this magic and how he got an idea to pay me just on after those 4 or 5 days. I don't know, but I got my money. I got more than just 10,000 rupees. And not just that, I get 20,000 rupees that he owed me, and then I got 10,000 more. See, I got that 10,000 more from my workplace. It was a kind of bonus which was never announced. It was a kind of bonus which we never knew that we gonna receive it, and that was the magic that I'm gonna tell you. I got total of 30,000 rupees, and it was amazing. It was really blew my mind completely. It was amazing, and I really want every one of you to try it out. Please do it for yourself. I know that for many of you, you'll feel that I am just joking or saying something that is really not worth it for trying for 55 times. But when you try it out, when you become the creator of your future, you will enjoy it. You're gonna surely enjoy it, because when you know that there is something in universe where you can direct it towards yourself, then you're gonna understand there is much more than just logic. There is magic that is running the universe, and when you become the part of that magic, it feels awesome. It feels really awesome. Do give it a try. And it's very simple technique. See, what you have to do is you have to frame a sentence in which you are saying thank you and feeling happy and grateful for manifesting your desire. Like if you want a pizza for yourself, you can write, I'm so happy and grateful to receive this pizza as a form of gift from my friend. I'm so happy. You can write it down 55 times. I know it's a bit tricky, or for after 55 times, you will feel that what I'm doing. But when you do it for 55 times, there are at least 20 to 40 times where you actually believe in it and you are actually happy and grateful for receiving that pizza or receiving that money. And that is the result, how universe delivered it to you for free of cost. So just try it and let me know in the comment box. Stay tuned. If you like the video, just subscribe. I love you a lot. Bye.